Okay, just a quick video on how to replace out the cabin filter on a 2015 plus Ford Mustang. What you're going to need is the cabin filter itself, which is a Ford Motorcraft FP78, and some type of Torx 20 driver. My preference is just one of these simple long drivers. Okay, first thing you're going to do is open up the glove box, remove any contents. Next to what you're going to want to do is remove this arm. So just push in and up and then out. And once that arm is detached, push into two sides of the glove box, and this allows you to pull it down. And there's a little bit of felt over here, and you could push it down and out of the way so it allows you to work. Okay, next you're going to get your Torx 20 driver and remove this screw right here that allows you to drop the lid. Now we're going to just pull down the cover, and then there's two tabs that you're just going to have to pull out of the way. And then now you'll be able to pull out the old cabin filter. Okay, just wanted to compare the old filter versus the brand new one, and this is after about 12,000 miles of use. Okay, next feed the filter from the bottom and push it on through. And once again, take notice of the arrows. Make sure that the arrows are pointing towards the center console. Okay, then attach the two tabs on the bottom of the lid. Push it up into place. Then reinsert the Torx 20 screw. Okay, just snug. Don't strip the plastic. And all you need to do is replace out the cover and perform the reverse. Pull in the two tabs and reattach the arm. You're all set.